Pooja. Welcome to our Elect Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the averages. In this video, we will going to cover the basic tips and tricks and also how to identify the problems based on the averages. So watch this full video till the end. So what is the average? Average is nothing but the sum of observations to the total number of observations. The very first basic tip is take an example. There is a classroom. In that classroom, if all the students' marks increase by 20, then the average is also increased by 20. Take an example. Raj and Rahul. Both marks increase by 20, then the average of these two is also increased by 20. The second tip same for the decrement. There are different types of problems based on averages. Let's check out how we can identify these problems. So very first type is based on the consecutive numbers. What are the consecutive numbers? X, x plus 1, x plus 2, so on. These are the consecutive numbers. Suppose x is a 1, then the consecutive number series is so on. Consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd number formula is x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and so on. Take an example. Suppose x is a 1, then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Suppose consecutive even number. The consecutive even number is formula is same as that of the odd numbers. Only the odd and even are depend on the value of x. Two, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So whenever you face these types of a problem, then there is a simple way to solve these numericals. Always remember the middle number is always the average. Therefore, take an example 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the consecutive number series. The middle number is a 5 and therefore this is the answer. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is nothing but the consecutive odd number series and the middle one is a 5 and therefore this is the average. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also again a consecutive number series. The middle one is always average. 6.5 is the average. Here 31, 33, 35, 37. This is the consecutive odd number series. The middle one 34 is always the average. Second type is based on the speed and distance. This is very important topic. The average speed can be found out by two ways. If there is a problems are on same distance, means distance is the same, and if there is a different distances are given. If the same distance is there, then the formula is 2xy upon x plus y. Suppose if there is a two distances are given, and if there are the three distances are given, then the formula is 3xyz upon xy plus yz plus zx, where these x, y and z are nothing but the speed. The unit of speed is kilometer per hour. And if the problems are on different distances are given, then the formula is a plus b plus c divided by a by x plus b by y plus c by z, where a, b, c are nothing but the different distances. Let's check out the example based on average speed and distances. A girl goes to a school from home at a speed of 10 kilometers, means one speed is given, and returns with a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Two speeds are given and the distance is same, school to home and home to school. The distance is same and therefore the formula we can use 2xy upon x plus y, where this is x and this one is a y. Therefore 2 into 10 into 30 upon 10 plus 30, 40. The answer will be 15 kilometer per hour. Suppose there is a one more kilometer per hour speed is increased 50 kilometer per hour. Then the formula will be used 3xy z upon xy plus yz plus zx. Let's check out the another example based on the different distances. A boy covers 10 kilometer at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Means this is the distance and this is the speed. 30 kilometer at a speed of 7 kilometers per hour and 20 kilometer at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed. Therefore, the ABC are nothing but the distances and XYZ are nothing but the speed. So A is 10, 30 and 20 kilometers and XYZ are 5 kilometers per hour, then 7 kilometers per hour and 15 kilometers per hour. After substituting all the values in this formula, we will get the average speed. The third topic is based on the different time and the different distance. If there is a different time and different distance is given in the numerical, so the numerical can be solved in this way. Let's take an example. A bus travels from a place A to place B. During this, it covers the 150 kilometer in 3 hours. This is D1, this is T1. And 350 kilometers, this is D2 and this is T2. 2 hours. Find the average speed. Now D1 is 150 kilometers, D2 is 350 kilometers, 3 and 2. The formula for speed is distance upon time. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Therefore, average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. Total distance is equals to 150 plus 350 upon 3 plus 2. Nothing but 500 divided by 5. The answer is 100 kilometers per hour. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our Alert Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.